On Grok AI, we used to ask some questions, or sometimes used to chat, and those things will be saved to your chat history. And if you think that from that you want to delete some history, you can do that. And from that, if you think you want to delete any specific chat, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to delete any chat from Grok. For this, open Grok application. After that, above you can see two lines. Click on these two lines. When you're clicking on that, here you can see every chat, and from this, select the chat which you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this chat.
For that, what you need to do is long press on that chat, and when you are long pressing, here you can see Delete option. Click on Delete. When you are clicking on that, here you can see a pop-up message like this. Click on Delete. When you're clicking on that, that chat will be deleted. So this way you can easily delete any chat from Grok AI. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.